The king had made a gold statue that was 90 feet tall and 9 feet wide. He had one of his men go out and tell the people, "Listen to the king's command. When you hear the sound of the musical instruments, bow to the ground and worship the king's gold statue. Anyone who refuses to obey will be thrown into a blazing furnace." So at the sound of the music, all the people bowed down and worshiped the gold statue. Everyone except 3 young Jewish men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. When the king heard about it, he was very angry and had the 3 brought to him. The men told the king, "If we are thrown into the blazing furnace, the God whom we serve is able to save us. He will rescue us from your power. But even if he doesn't, we want to make it clear to you that we will never serve your gods or worship the gold statue you have set up." Nebuchadnezzar became furious and told his servants to tie the 3 up and throw them into the furnace. But when the king went back to check on Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, he saw 4 men walking around in the fire unharmed. The Son of God was with them in the fire. He released the 3 men and was amazed that they didn't even smell like smoke. And he said to all the other people, "Praise to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Truly, there is no other God who can save people this way."